Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to draw a natural eyebrow for beginners at a very simple steps. Today I'll be using delicate eyebrow from In Color Cosmetics. It is very good for beginners and for natural eyebrows. It has three different browns as you can see, and it comes with a tiny brush. I'm going to use the darkest brown here. Let me show you how to use the brush. First drag it in the product from one side, then turn around the brush and again drag it. By doing this you will get a sharp tip. It will help you get a pointed sharp line. You can brush your brows with spoolie brush before applying the product. Then apply from the middle and drag it to the tail. Again, take some product and apply in your lower brows, starting from the middle and drag it to the arc. With a light hand, with little product, start from moving towards inner corner and start filling the brows. Do upward stroke in the inner corner. Fill the brow. Fill the brow gaps from your brow where your brow needs to be filled. Here's a small trick. Take some little amount of product and brush it. Here's a small trick. Take some little product and brush in the backward direction of your hair grow. Then brush upwards using the back spoolie. Now you can see the difference. Now again take some products and with the same technique and apply to your upper border of the brow. This product is good for only natural looking brows. If you love doing your eyebrows with dark, bold, then you might not like this product. Next time I'll show you how to do your brows using different products. I think I'll use some brow pencils. Brow pencils are also good. I'll show you in the next video. If you are beginner, try different styles, different products, and see what suits you better. It's about learning new things, so keep learning. And if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos, more makeup videos. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye guys.